student. Good morning, student. Now take page number 35 in general knowledge book. 21st century quiz. 21st century के quiz है. Unscribble the letters to get the correct name of the words. In July 2017, an iceberg weighing 1 trillion tons and measuring 5,800 square kilometers separated from Antarctica's Lassen Sea ice shelf. This is the biggest brick of its kind ever. आइसबर्ग लिखेंगे यहाँ पे. Second, in 2017, Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, donated USD 3.17 billion toward the charitable project. A large part of the donation was to his close friend and the Microsoft founder Bill Gates. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundations, which is doing wonderful work in the fields of health, poverty, and education around the world. Third, in 2017, Turkey voted for presidential form of government, abolishing the parliamentary system of governance and the post Prime Minister Recep Tayyip Erdogan took over the president. तुर्की आएगा आंसर में. Fourth, this American company founded by Elon Musk is trying to make space travel easier and more affordable. तो वो है SpaceX. SpaceX अमेरिकन कंपनी ने फाउंड किया है जो उसका बनाने का हेतु क्या है कि ट्रैवल इजियर हो और मोर अफोर्डेबल हो. एवरी ईयर द ग्लोबल पीस इंडेक्स टेल्स अस विच कंट्रीज आर पीसफुल and which are not. In recent years, Iceland has been topping this list, while Syria has been right at the bottom of the list. Syria है उसमें सब में से बॉटम पे आता है. और ये जो उनका हेतु क्या था कि ऐसी कंट्री जानना कि कौन पीसफुल है और कौन नहीं है. 6. Millions of people are displaced from their homes every year due to political strife or natural disaster. One of the most affected countries in recent years has been Democratic Republic of the Congo. 7. Hong Kong, special administrative region of the People's Republic of China, is headed by a chief executive. In 2017, Carrie Lam became the first woman chief executive. 8. In 2017, American sprinter Blank Leper ran 4 meters in 45.25 seconds with 2 artificial legs and created a world record. Wow! आर्टिफिशियल लेग होने के बावजूद भी इतने मीटर्स की वो रनिंग है उन्होंने की. पैरालंपिक्स एथलीट्स दैट इज़ द फास्टर देन एनी इंडियन मैन हैज़ एवर रन ऑफ हिज ऑन 2 legs. इंडिया का कोई भी रनर है 2 legs से रन करे उससे भी फास्टर ये जो आर्टिफिशियल लेग है उसके होते हुए उन्होंने की. द इंडियन नेशनल मेंस 400 मीटर रिकॉर्ड इज़ 45.32 seconds. Great. Now, 9th number, in 2017, Rafael Nadal won the French Open men's singles tennis title for a record 10th time. He is the first player to win the same Grand Slam title 10 times. In 2017, Fiji released a new $7 currency note with the image of the country's rugby 7's team which won the gold medal in the Rio Olympics in 2016. Then turn the page. The cyber world. साइबर वर्ड सुनते ही आपको पता चल जाए गया होगा कि किसके अबाउट है. सो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ द वर्ड गिवन इन द हेल्प ऑफ बुक्स. फर्स्ट है कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मेटल ऑक्साइड सेमीकंडक्टर or integrated circuit is a technology used in microprocessors and other digital logic circuit. Second, a router is a machine with a tailor-made software and hardware to route and forward information. Third, an internet service provider, also called an internet access provider, is a company that offers its customers access to the internet using dial up or other means to telecommunications. Fourth one, GCM is the most popular standard for mobile phone in the world. TSP and IP is the base set of communication protocols used for the internet and other similar network. And sixth number, the flight simulator is realistic system that imitates the experience of flying an aircraft. It may be as small as a handheld video game or as large as a cockpit size area. 7. Motherboard is the main printed circuit board making up a computer. 8. A virus is a computer program capable of copying itself and the interfacing a computer without the user knowing about it. Then the ninth one, Spivor is a computer software that is installed discreetly on a computer without the user's knowledge to know about the user's interactions with the computer. 10. Applet is a software components like a web browser which has a very small functions and no independent use. 11. A dot matrix printer or impact matrix printer is a type of the computer printer which prints upon impact similar to a typewriter. 12. In digital imaging, pixel is the smallest piece of information in an image. 13. The multimedia card is a standard flash memory card. 14. And the last, Blu-ray disc is the latest high dental optical disc format for the storing data and the high definition video. It is the successor to with the standard DVD format. तो यहाँ पे सारी किसके रिलेटेड है अबाउट ऑल काइंड ऑफ मशीन्स मोबाइल कंप्यूटर एट्सेट्रा. So here our chapter is finished and assignments number 1 and 2 do in your homework, then I give all the answers to you. Okay student, so I hope you all understand well and get it. So thank you for listening me.